Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial. Today we will go together over our Kaizen module. The purpose of the Kaizen module is to collect, process, and execute any user's improvement ideas. Users can easily communicate all suggestions, define their team, go through a simple approval process, and at the end, if needed, set up actions that are necessary for the improvement proposal. To create a new document, we have to go back to our documents list and click green plus button in the right upper corner. And now you are ready to define your Kaizen document. You enter your title. You can choose if you would like to share your document with public, which means that all users who have access to these folders will be able to view your document. But if you choose only for invited, you are able to lock this document and only invited users will be able to see it, in which case you choose your users from the submenu. Under Where to Display tab, you will list all the folders in which you would like to display this document. Under Action Settings, you can choose from different options for your actions. External sharing, you are able to share your document with external partner. And after you are done with your settings, you click Save and View button. After you create your document, you will be able to make any further modifications directly from your document's header. You will find next to the field Added Pencil, and when you click on it, you can make the modification. Approver, here you add a person who is actually going to approve your improvement idea and select that person from the submenu and click Save. Team, you are able to define your team who is going to be involved with your idea. And the same thing, you will just choose from the submenu and save. Here you will select the location for your idea, and this location is also going to help you with sorting, filtering through your documents in the document list, and you will select location from your structure. You can also specify department if needed. It is only a text field, so you just enter the text and save. Created, closed, and open fields, those are automatic fields, and they are just based on when the document was created, when it was closed, and how many days the document either is open or was open. And then you can continue with the rest of your document. Under Improvement Idea field, you will describe the problem and the suggested improvement. You can also specify categories for your document. These categories can be created in the system in a Kaizen module submenu, and only users with sufficient rights can do so. So you will choose from the existing ones. And categories can also help you with sorting and filtering of your documents in the document list. You can add different attachments to your document, and also pictures which will be displayed. After status and results field, here you describe the actions taken and the outcomes achieved by your improvement idea. Under impact summary field, you can record metrics if applicable, if you can measure impact by your improvement idea in numbers. These metrics can be also created under Kaizen module submenu by users with sufficient rights. Please note that these metrics are different from our regular metrics in the system. And here you can choose your metric, quantity, if applicable, and period. And now when we scroll back up, here you will find the status of your document. When you create your document, first you will see a button Send for Approval. Once you click on it, your approver is going to receive email notification that the document needs to be approved. And once they do so, then you will be able to start your implementation. Here you can see simple like feature, so whoever has access to your document, they can use it. You can add comments and the team will receive an email notification. And when we scroll all the way down, here you are ready to add any corrective preventive actions. To add actions, you click green plus button. And here you are ready to define your action. You can enter title, details, responsible users, set updates, and so on. And once you are ready with your action setting, you click Save and Close. And now we can go back to our document list. And here in your folder, you can see the list of all your documents. You can include subfolders if needed, use the filter. You can filter your documents by status. And under advanced filter, you find more options. And before we finish, I would like to also show you how you can use your Kaizen documents in our reports module. In our reports module, you can view a simple report of your Kaizen documents. You can either use our chart widget or document list widget. And you can set up each widget as you need to when you go to the settings. Here in the data source, you will choose Kaizen statistics from the options. You have other metric options to choose from and all the other details. You can also use different categories, periods, and use additional filter. Under Documents List widget, you will do the same. Under Module, you will choose Kaizen, you will choose your org units, which columns you would like to see for your document list, and you can also choose from additional filters. And we've reached the end of our tutorial. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.